Hello Swissborg community members. I would like to quickly walk you through, step by step, how to vote in the upcoming referendum number 2. I hope that this short video will clarify the process so that you can all participate, as it is high levels of participation in referendums which will best enable the power of swarm intelligence to shape the future of Swissborg. If you are confused as to how to vote, I would recommend following along with the video and pausing it to follow the steps precisely. I think it is also worthy to clarify some inherent key differences between Referendum 1 and Referendum 2. Because of the new token holding time function, compensation for voting will be higher than that of Referendum 1. Additionally, this time, voters will be rewarded with tokens from FinTech Germany Award nominated startup, Helix. Helix is Swissborg's first project selected for the Swissborg ICO platform. Taking part in this referendum therefore gives you the opportunity to be part of this awesome startup too. More information on this company can be found on Swissborg's website and on their own website. We hope that these changes to this referendum should act as a further incentive for you all to participate in this referendum. Before casting your vote, make sure that you have read the documentation available on Swissborg's website under the title Get to Know Swissborg's Referendum 2. So that you understand what you are voting for. It is imperative you are well versed in your voting options so that Swissborg can effectively harness the collective intelligence of the community. For this referendum, we offer 2 ways to vote. The first is through a web interface. This method is highly recommended over the other as it is much easier and quicker. And the second is a more manual method of voting. Today, I'll walk you through just the first process. Information on the second process can be found in the posts made by Swissborg regarding Referendum 2. Okay, so let's begin. To use the first method of voting, you'll need either a Chrome, Firefox, Opera, or Brave browser. Upon opening that browser, find the MetaMask website and click the appropriate browser extension. In my case, it is Chrome. This will then take me to the Chrome Web Store, and from there, I'll just click Add to Chrome. In this case, I've already added it to my Chrome, and you can see that it is up here in the top right. Then, you will be prompted to register an account, and just follow those simple steps if you have not made a MetaMask account yet. Otherwise, just log into your account, and then go to the Referendum Swissborg link www.vote.swissborg.com, and it will look something like this. Make sure that you have logged into your MetaMask account before you have opened this. And then if that is the case, it should say vote now. Otherwise, it might say please log in. Then you would need to log into your MetaMask up here and then refresh the page. So click vote now, read through the terms and conditions, and enter your email address that you signed up with on Swissborg. The wallet address should be here automatically. You will then click I have read the referendum terms and conditions. Click next. And then here you'll find the referendum question. As mentioned before, make sure that you are well versed in what the referendum question is asking and what the different options are. Click a category, and then click vote. It will then automatically take you to your MetaMask account, and then on there you can just click submit. And you are done. You have participated in Swissborg's referendum number 2. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.